Hey, here's the 3-pack of PUR Plus water filters. So this box comes with 3 individually wrapped water filters. They are all nice and sealed, so they're protected. When you set these up, you're going to want to soak them in cold water for 15 minutes, and then you rinse them out for 10 seconds. So I filled up a big bowl with some cold water, and here is the packaging. Opens nice and easy. Here's the water filter itself. And then, like I said, I'm just going to let it soak in the cold water. All right, I just soaked this for 15 minutes in cold water and rinsed it for 10 seconds. That's why it's a little wet. But the filter just pops right in. Then I would just make sure you turn it all the way to lock it in. The top piece here lines right up with everything. To take it out, same thing, just unscrews. And here's the filter itself working. And these filters are also compatible with all PUR water filter systems.